Hey everyone, this is Asim and welcome back to the channel. Today I'll show you two simple ways to check the alt text of any image. Let's get started. First I'll show you the manual method of checking alt text of any image. This method works on all the browsers. Let's see how you can check alt text of any image in Chrome browser. This method is very simple. Let's say I want to check the image alt text of this image. Simply right click on the image, click on inspect and move my mouse here. Then this image gets highlighted. So here you have to look for alt is equal to. So you can see alt is equal to Los Angeles carpet cleaning truck mount setup. And if I want to check the image alt text of this image, I'll take my mouse here, click it, and you can see this is highlighted and the alt here is truck mount for carpet cleaning. Similarly, go to any other image. Let's say I want to check the alt text of this image. Same method, click and you can see the alt here. Now let's say I go to this website and want to check the alt text of this image. Again, right click on the image, click on inspect. If the image gets highlighted, then fine, otherwise click on the select an element in the page to inspect it and bring your mouse over the image, click it, and you can see here the alt text is home with beautiful sky and solar panels on roof. Just scroll down. Let's say I want to check the alt text of this image. Again, same method, alt text is here. So this is the manual method of checking alt text of any image on any website. You can also check alt text of any image with the help of a Chrome extension. Let's close it down. To install the Chrome extension, click on these three dots, click on extensions, and then click visit Chrome Web Store. And search here image alt text viewer. You have to install this extension with this logo. Click it, click add to Chrome, click add extension. So this extension has been added to Chrome. Close it. Now it's not showing here, so click on extensions icon and then click on pin button in front of this extension. So it's right here. Now go to any page. And if you want to check the alt text of all the images on this page, simply click the extension. And you can see alt text of any image. You can see here. And this is the alt text of this image. And it's also showing the alt text of different icons. You can see here. So alt text. So this is another method of checking alt text of any image. Let's say I go to this website, just close it, click on the alt text Chrome extension. So now you can see the alt text of all the images. This is the alt text for this image, this for this, and this for this. So it also tells you for which images you don't have alt text. So these are the alt text for icons. You can decide whether you want to write the alt text for icons or not, it's up to you. But it will show you all the alt text for all the images. You can see here. And that's it. Now you know how to check the alt text of any image both manually and with the Chrome extension. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more SEO tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.